can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal. That is dangerous operation of a motor vehicle.
That's my bad boy.
Behind this big ass van. It's, I don't know where the owner went. He was around here. Oh, he's in there. He's in there.
Nice car, man.
I told you should like it.
Good car, bro.
It's a tourist attraction right now.
Big, eh?
That's how they liked it back in the day. Big body. That car is probably the sexiest car we've had here in a long time. And we gotta put some wheels on it. But we gotta get the tires full of wheels first. And it's raining, so I'm going back inside.
I'm loving the red interior, bro. It's killing me with that. I gave him the exact same price. Like, I have a whole bunch of red material left. Yeah. Same thing, like, you know, it came out nice. Whatever you want to do. Nice, bro.
That's my bad boy.
Is Salim pulling out right now? Man, he's quick. Yeah, this guy didn't pay his phone plan. Now he can't call Salim. All right, that means I gotta call Salim. But I don't have my phone on me. God damn it. All right, let me call Salim. What, just ask him where the other spacer is for the front?
Yeah. Alright, so ask him about the
We gotta
space
know
there.
where the other spacer is. Because there's only one up here. On the table, the workbench, in a white box. All right, appreciate you, brother. Thank you. He said in the white box. It's probably in there. There you go. Those look so clean. She's close, but she's not touching a millimeter. The math is on point with this. It's like, I don't know if you can see right there. Literally like a fingernail.
Honestly, bro, if he goes over a bump, it's not like this is under. So like, it's not like
That's
it's
true.
gonna like, you know. Like this isn't a problem. You're not touching anything like above.
Oh no, you're good.
Yeah, like if you go for a bump, then do you want me to do it while you look?
Yeah, if you can push it. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, it clears it.
Alright. Should I start?
I guess so.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laugh just gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.